Hey guys, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how you can get the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 live wallpaper for your iPhone. And you can see all I have to do, I just force touch on my lock screen. Now let me show you how you can get it. First, you need to go to Safari and you need to go to this link that I already provided in my video description. And then you need to scroll down, you're gonna see this button, so click on it. And it will redirect you into the new link. So there are two live wallpaper available, so click the one that you like. Let's say I want to get this one, click on the download button here, and now it will pop up. Click on the download, and then it is downloading on the top here. So now let's wait, and then you need to view the video. Click on the share button, but now you need to download an app called Into Live before you get into this step. So you need to go into the App Store and then you need to search for Into Live. This video brought to you by AnyTrends. It allows you to back up almost all data on your iPhone, including photos, videos, messages, and so on. The whole backup process is very easy and quick. You don't need technical skill, and you can restore any backups anytime and anywhere. More detail can be found from the link in my video description. Just like that. So the reason that we need this app because on the iPhone, in order to set the animated wallpaper on your lock screen, you need to make sure that the wallpaper is in live mode. So now that's why we need this app. So now let me go back into Safari here, and then I click on the share button, and then we click on Into Live, and then it will select the video that we have just downloaded. And you can also adjust the size as well if you like by pinning the wallpaper here. Now click on make, no repeat, and then the last step is to save the live wallpaper on your iPhone, and it usually pop up the ad, so about 5 seconds or so, so you can wait. Now the live wallpaper has been saved. Let me go back into my camera roll, and then we should be able to set it on the lock screen. You can see now it is in live wallpaper. Now click on the share button, and then you need to use it as your wallpaper set on your lock screen. And now when you go back into your lock screen, after you confirm your face, you should be able to force touch, and just like that, you can see. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you want the video on how to get the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 wallpaper, you can check from the link in my video description or from the card above here.